here at Pacific Resort Rarotonga. I've been working for the company for just under 4 years, and my dad is from Rakahanga and my mum is from Wales. So my first role here at Pacific Resort Rarotonga was a guest service agent. I think it was a great first platform for me to start, and it helped me to understand how the rest of the resort functions, being the communication hub. For me, it's my team. My team are amazing. I work with such great individuals with such amazing ideas and creativity, and it's so cool to see it come to life. So for me, absolute staff satisfaction is just hearing your staff out, giving them a voice, and I think providing ongoing training is really important for them too. Knowledge is power, so to be able to have that as well in their back pocket is pretty cool. So for me, absolute guest satisfaction is guests leaving with amazing memories, that they had a great time with us, and they take back an experience and they share it with the rest of their friends and family. And as being in the Cook Islands, it's the most amazing thing about being here is our culture and the fact that the weddings team is there for you every step of the way. We're there for support, and we're there for any ideas that you have to bring those to life and just make your day perfect.